Find the best Whirlpool tubs on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 7 best Whirlpool tub on the market. 1 Woodbridge Whirlpool Tub B004/BTS161171X31.5- Editor's Choice. There is nothing wrong with wanting a little comfort and luxury, right? What if we told you there is a way to turn your bathroom into a haven of complete bliss and delight without spending a lot? The answer is Woodbridge Whirlpool Tub B004/BTS1611. This is a modern-day Whirlpool tub designed with glittering acrylic to accentuate your bathroom decor. The walls are reinforced with fiberglass and ashland resin, best-of-breed technology, to ensure longevity. As if that wasn't enough, the double acrylic walls promote insulation, so your water doesn't get cold too fast. Woodbridge Whirlpool Tub B004/BTS1611 bears 10 jets on the surface that deliver a relaxing massage. There is a button to adjust how fast or slow the ripple needs to be. When you couple that with the light from the underwater lamp, all your troubles cease to exist. That's what they call nirvana, isn't that so? Without a shred of doubt, this Whirlpool tub offers the best in terms of comfort and longevity. Worried about buyer's remorse? Well, then the 5-year warranty on the surface and 1 year on the plumbing parts should comfort you. 2 ARIEL Platinum PW 1545930L159X29.5X24.6 Rectangular Whirlpool Tub, Best Single Wall Installation Unit. Once or a couple of times in our busy lifetimes, we deserve a bit of opulence synonymous with Hollywood celebrities. And the good news is, there are a few home equipment that can give you that good feeling. One of which is ARIEL Platinum PW 1545930L159X29.5X24.6 Rectangular Whirlpool Tub. This bathtub's flawless and breathtaking design can transform your bathroom experience to that of Patrick Stewart or Khloe Kardashian. Yes, we know that sounds way advertorial, but think of what you would do in a bathtub with jacuzzi-style massage, chromotherapy LED lights and a Bluetooth stereo that lets you select only the songs you like. How awesome is that? But that is just a speck of a huge iceberg. ARIEL Platinum PW 1545930L1 has a smooth, lustrous surface that is not only stain-proof but extremely durable as well. It comes with a headrest so you can spend as much time soaking in its warm full-body embrace. There are multiple settings to control water flow, air bubbles, and LED lights. You would also be glad to learn that you can regulate the air bubbles to avoid the bothersome foaming experience witnessed in cheaper tubs. Furthermore, you get a 2-year warranty on all parts. 3 American Standard 2771 VC.020 Evolution Whirlpool Bath Tub, Best Space-Saving Whirlpool Tub. Features aside, there are 2 good reasons why you might need American Standard 2771 VC.020, Evolution 5. Actually, there are 3 reasons. First, if you own one of the best American Standard toilets, it won't be bad to have another kit from the same brand. So in case they visit you, they might give both of them a check, which saves you extra costs of looking for another expert. Secondly, this pool's dimensions suit a bathroom that already seems to be running out of space. With the high-gloss acrylic, it surely will give your restroom an enchanting brighter look. Thirdly, American Standard has a reputation for crafting the best fixture with friendly policy returns. That means you won't have a bad online shopping experience. Need a little soaking time? No problem. American Standard 2771VC.020 Evolution comes with an 8-jet system for an air bubble massage session with a switch to regulate speed. With curved armrests on the sides, you just lay back and let the shower run its magic. For Freestandingjetted Massage Hydrotherapy Bathtub, Best Freestanding Bathtub. The core selling point of Freestandingjetted Massage Hydrotherapy Bathtub is its exceptional durability. Yes, it features acrylic and fiberglass like other best jacuzzi tubs in this review. However, the fiberglass comes in 3 layers, not to forget it consists of ABS compounds too. With contemporary looks and a sleek finish, this unit can complement any decor you have in place. Not to mention that its freestanding design means you can have it anywhere you want. As the name suggests, Freestandingjetted Massage has side jets with controls for a relaxing massage session. While air bubbles foster an immersive jacuzzi experience, some do result in foaming, which is kind of a bummer. That's why this fixture comes with an air bubble control unit. So far, the reviews are glamorous, and that means this is a reliable unit. Even more, it comes complete with all parts ready for use. It's secured with a 1-year warranty. 5 American Standard 2903018WC.020 Savona Oval Whirlpool Bath Tub, best for accommodating tall people. Another bathtub that you can buy without spending an insane amount of money is American Standard 2903018WC.020 Savona Oval Whirlpool Bath Tub. This oval-shaped unit is a drop-in style, which means you must have a pre-constructed space to drop it in. Like other Whirlpool tub reviews in this article, it too is crafted from acrylic and fiberglass reinforcement. This is the standard material apart from wood and stone, which are extremely costly. The piping system sports proprietary EverClean technology that protects the pipes from bacterial, mold, and other nasty stuff. American Standard 2903018WC.020 Savona doesn't come with the tea heater system, so you'll have to buy it separately. But comfy-wise, it has sufficient multi-directional jets with the hydro massage capability. 6 2-Person Whirlpool Massage Bathtub, Best 2-People Whirlpool Tub. Spending a whirlpool session with your better half is a good way to breathe new life into your relationship. If you'd love to try that out, one of the best whirlpool tubs to go for would be the 2-Person Whirlpool Massage Bathtub. This is a high-end corner installation unit with a glossy acrylic finish. As an item that lets you sink in luxury, the front sports soft waterproof pillow/headrest for both you and your lover. You can create an even more romantic experience by switching on the chromotherapy lights. We love listening to music during relaxation times, and 2-Person Whirlpool Massage Bathtub makes it possible to do that in the bathroom. It's equipped with a truly amazing sound system with Bluetooth capability, so you can play your favorite playlist. But that's not all. This is a jacuzzi unit with a hydro massage system that is delivered through water jets. The controls let you fine-tune the stream to deliver just the right relaxation feeling. Pretty much all settings can be adjusted via the remote control. This bathtub runs on 1 HP motor at 110 volts. As for the water volume, it takes up roughly 100 plus gallons. 7 Jacuzzi J1S6032WRL1XXW 60x32 Three-Wall Alcove Whirlpool Bathtub, best budget pick. Jacuzzi is the company that started the idea of massage providing bathtubs. This means investing in one of their products like Jacuzzi J1S6032WRL1XXW would be a great idea. Also, this happens to be the most affordable Whirlpool bathtub in this list, with a price of around $1,000. So what do you get for $1,000? A satisfying massage session from 6 jets. It comes with air controls to the intensity of air bubbles to minimize foaming. Jacuzzi J1S6032WRL1XXW addresses some of the issues other tabs ignore a lot. For instance, massage whirlpools have slippery surfaces, and it's easy to slide and fall or worse hit your head on it. This fixture's bottom is slip resistant to prevent accidents. The jetting systems are lined with an antimicrobial technology that keeps the water lines healthy. Furthermore, its drain is designed to evacuate effectively, leaving no stagnant water behind. Jacuzzi J1S6032WRL1XXW is a 3-wall alcove design with a skirt and flange. So it needs to be installed against 3 walls. You might need to be exact with your measurements, so it fits in its space perfectly.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.